I'm going to invite you into a particular kind of breath practice. It might be for some of you a sort of familiar breath practice, but with a hand gesture. And this is a fairly recent, this practice is a fairly recent discovery for me. So some of you may have done with me before the breath practice Kapalabhati, or it's also referred to as breath of fire. It's both a stimulating breath and a cleansing breath. I want you to go knowing that people are a little bit more ill at ease this morning than maybe they typically are. I would invite you to take this very gently, but you may want to think about something that you want to release. This is, like I said, a cleansing breath, a way of letting things go. So the basic breath, there's an arm gesture I'm going to add to it, but the basic breath is this. It is the movement of the belly. So you're pulling in on your belly core and a sharp exhale. And then the belly releases sort of its own accord, and you do a big exhale or inhale. Then the inhale sort of happens naturally. Sorry, I said that wrong. And again, you can take that at any speed that feels right to you. So it's this sort of sniffing breath that happens. Or what we're going to add is bringing our hands up to about chest height. So about at that place at the bone in the center of the chest. And then we're going to, and I would invite you to really think about something that you want to release here if you can make that intentional, but even if it's not intentional, I think it will happen. So with each sort of sharp exhale, we'll move one hand out to the side. Give that a try. Releasing. Again, at your own pace. Maybe letting that come or to a completion.